Okay, now we have salary here. You understand? And this salary is under your income. Now you have a salary of 2,000. That's this particular individual has a salary of 2,000. Now it doesn't mean say if you are not being paid 2,000, you live it this way. So let's say maybe I'm not being paid 2,000 cedis. The money they even give me is like 1,000 cedis a month. So I can change this and put 1,000 cedis in here. You understand? And you see the second income here. That's part-time income from a second job. You understand? Okay. So part-time income from a second job. If I don't have any part-time income coming from a second job, or if I don't even have any second job, there's no need for this 300 cedis should be here. This 300 cedis should be just zero. You understand? And we are done. Now, dividend income. You understand? These are incomes we get from investments we have made with other institutions or other businesses. You understand? And if you have any income coming in from dividends, you put it in here. But if you don't have, like me, you put just zero. You understand? Okay. Now, the next one is real estate income. If you don't have any real estate income like me, you put just zero. Now, gifts, this has to do with cash gifts we receive during a particular period. You understand? So, one thing I need to say before I continue is the financial statements. It can be done monthly, 3 months, 6 months, or even a whole year. You understand? It depends on you, the individual. So with this particular example, I'm taking it as if I'm doing my financial statement, or I'm preparing my financial statement for just the month of January in this month. You'll get to know why I'm saying that. Okay, so this here is gift. That's cash gift. If you receive any cash gift from friends or family, you put it in here. Now, income from other investments. If you have any income from other investments apart from the ones we have talked about earlier on, you put it in here. If you don't have any investment like me, please just put zero there and let's go. Now, capital gains. Now, when we talk about capital gains has to do with the money we get selling assets or something like that. So maybe I have a TV, and I sell that TV, and maybe I sold it 500 cedis. So I put it in here, 500 cedis for that particular month. Now, other incomes have not captured in this particular book. You can put it here. You can edit everything in here as much as you want to, or how to favor you, or for your own good. You understand? Okay. Now, you could see here that this total income is 2,500. Now, in this box, you understand, in this box is a formula. Now the formula is just the summation, is the total. I've just added the everything from salary to the other income, and it has given me my total income. So this is my total income for, let's say, the month of January. Now let's move to the expenditure column. Now, expenditure has to do with expenses, obviously. Now, there's no one who can tell me, say, I doing a whole month, maybe I didn't, spend on anything. You understand? Then that means you're not doing anything. So, since you are earning money, at the same time you are spending money. Now, income. Let me just move it back again. Now, income is the inflow of money, you understand, coming in to your pocket. Then expenditures is the outflow of money going out of your pocket. Let me put it that way, you understand? Okay, now let me zoom it back to Let me zoom it back to, okay, so it's good. Okay, so we have expenditure, we have groceries, you understand? And groceries in here we have 150. You all know groceries. You went to the supermarket, you went to the, you know, the mall, we bought some groceries here, and then maybe during the month of January I bought groceries worth 150 cedis. Transportation, okay, it's a say yeah na yeah fat trotro no. Me like this, I pick trotro. I don't have a car, so my transportation for the whole month of January is 200. If you are driving a car, then maybe you bought fuel maybe 300 or so, then you change it to what, 300 cities. You understand? Okay, now entertainment here has to do with, you guys with the Go TV and DSTV and so on and so forth. You understand? Me no, I don't use Go TV, so entertainment for me here will be what, zero. You understand? If there's any expenses associated with any form of entertainment, then I'll put it there. But for now, I don't have any, so I put zero. Now, the next one is electricity. Okay, everyone buys electricity. You understand? So let's say in the month of January of this year, I spent 100 cedis on electricity. So the next one is what? Rent where I stay. So every month I pay a rent of, let's say, 300 cedis. You understand? And in our country, we don't pay rent maybe monthly. We pay it a whole year. So if you know you are paying a whole year, you just divide it by 12. Then you know your monthly rents you are paying, and you fix it in here. You understand? Now, personal insurance. I don't have any personal insurance. If you have any personal insurance, you can what? Fix it in here. Grooming expenses. I'm a guy, grooming expenses for the guys, boys, you see that thing. We boys, yeah. We don't spend too much on grooming, you understand? We cut our hair just once or twice in a month, and I think 20 cedis is okay. But for the ladies, they'll do pedicure, they will braid their hair, wash their hair, and so on and so forth. You understand? Don't mind me. And it's 300 cedis for the ladies. So okay, estimation 300. So if you're a lady, I know some will even go to 1,000. I beg you. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so we have school loans. If you went to a good school, you went to a school that supported the school loan something, then maybe you have some, arrears you are supposed to pay. Now, I want to explain something here. School loans here, loans come with interest. Now, let's say if you went for a school loan of, let's say, 5,000 cedis, you understand? That 5,000 cedis doesn't appear here. You understand? The interest you are paying on that particular loan, that 5,000 cedis, is what appears here. So if a month you are paying, let's say, 30 cedis, being interest every month on that loan, that's what you put here as an expense, but not the loan figure. You understand? Not the amount you have gone for. Okay, I hope you get me. Okay, now interest paid on car loans. If you have any car loans, and this one normally you see this particular expenses with people who are employed. You understand? Employees, people who work with the bank, people who work with other institutions that gives them car loans. And let's say you went for a car loan worth, let's say, 80,000 cedis, and every month maybe you are paying interest of, let's say, 200 cedis. Okay, so you put that interest figure here, and you don't put the loan figure, which is, let's say, 80,000 in here. You don't put that one here, but you put the interest in here. Now, if you have any other expenses I've not captured here, you can feel free to edit this part and just fix the amount here. Okay, now you see total expenses in yellow, in the yellow box, and that one too, we have a formula, and it's still summation of all your expenses, all the expenses in here. That's the that's what you see in the yellow box. So and you have the next one being net income. Net income